This year, welcome a natural look into your festive decor. Naomi Home presents the Makenna Snowy Christmas Tree with Pampas tips. Imagine the perfect blend of winter's elegance and nature's charm right in your living room. Each branch is meticulously designed to replicate the serene beauty of freshly fallen snow, adorned with unique Pampas tips that add a touch of sophistication and warmth. And the best part, our tree comes with pre-assembled LED lights, making setup a breeze. With just a flick of a switch, watch your tree come to life with a soft, inviting glow. Create magical moments and unforgettable memories with this snowy Christmas tree with Pampas tips. It's more than just a tree, it's a holiday experience. The Makenna Snowy Christmas Tree comes in various sizes such as 4.5 feet, 6.5 feet, 7.5 feet, and 9 feet. Thanks for watching. Please like, subscribe and share for more Naomi Home content. You can find the product link and more in the description below.